How to merge photos on Android using Google Photos. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to combine multiple photos into one using the Collage feature. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. First, open the Google Photos app on your Android device. Now, find the photos you want to merge. Long press on the first photo to select it, then tap on the other photos. You can select multiple images to create a collage. Once selected, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on Create, then choose Collage. Google Photos will automatically combine your selected images into a collage. You can choose different layouts from the options at the bottom and also pinch to zoom or drag photos to adjust them. Once you're satisfied, tap Save in the bottom right corner. Your merged photo will now be saved in your gallery and Google Photos library. And that's it. That's how you can easily merge photos on Android using Google Photos.